Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel and thanks for logging on. Today we're discussing the Blancpain Leman Flyback Chronograph. You can see and you can purchase this 38mm steel flyback chronograph with integrated column wheel vertical clutch chronograph caliber on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy these videos, and please click on the card in the upper right hand corner of the screen at any time during this video to see our full sales listing for this watch with additional accessories included in the sale, high resolution images for your desktop, and naturally complete pricing details for this and our entire collection of Blancpain timepieces. Now the watch on my wrist is easy to wear, friendly in proportions, and versatile. 38mm across the round of the case. The watch is also slim. You can see 11.7mm thick with a generously stepped and rounded bezel. It slides underneath any dress cuff, both the suit jacket and the dress sleeve beneath. Now from lug to lug, or I should say from extremity to extremity, because the X71 bracelet does feature solid end links, the watch measures a very wearable 48.3mm, meaning though it wears well on my 16cm circumference wrist, and it would certainly wear well on a larger wrist, it can also be worn on wrists as small as 13cm in circumference. So if you're looking for something that works on a smaller wrist and has an aggressive sporting character, this is a great choice. Now it does feel substantial. Most of these were issued on straps. This one features what's known as the X71 bracelet, probably better known for seeing service on the 50 fathoms range of dive watches. You can see that its hallmark is the beautiful tolerances of the interlinked components. The links themselves feature swells and hollows that allow the bracelet to link together seamlessly. The only actual daylight showing through the bracelet is along the center links, where there are beautifully evacuated channels that don't just avoid pinching skin and pulling hair, but also allow the wrist to breathe on a hot day. You can see all the sizing is done with screws, not pins, sleeves, or spring bars. It has a silken feel, though it looks massive and masculine like a Rolex Oyster bracelet. It has the silky feel of the smaller 3-link President bracelet. So if you've worn a Rolex President bracelet, it feels like that, only built tougher. And now there's a double deployant, as you can see, shaped to trace the curve of the underside of the wrist. It imparts a good deal of confidence, and because it's not a dive style clasp, it doesn't stick out to the extent that it's going to be horribly defaced as you move your wrist over your desk during the day. Nicely executed. You can see the combination of polished and satin finished elements for contrast. It's also nicely integrated into the flow of the lugs as the end link swells with its solid intermediate link, swells to meet the shape of the lugs and the case band. All of high polish in a 38mm watch, this seems elegant and appropriate, whereas on a larger watch, high polish can seem a bit garish. Not the case here. The double Gadron twin-stepped bezel is a stylistic highlight of the watch and one of its most distinctive traits. And you can see inboard, the dial is rich but no nonsense. Light calibrations, full Arabic numerals against a black base, and it is a matte black base. You can see the dial detail to good effect from this angle, with each individual hands, including sub-register, luminescent, and a nice discrete date window well integrated on a monotone black date disc at 6 o'clock. You can also see several concentric rings for the minutes and seconds outboard, the hour track, the sub-registers, and the center dial on different planes of focus. Now you can see that the hands themselves are broad, white gold, beautifully polished, and robustly luminescent. There's a small shock of color at the end of the chronograph seconds for a classical flourish. Now, of course, it is a flyback chronograph. Reset and restart with a single push of a button. So if you're timing two events that occur in rapid succession, or you are, for instance, a pilot timing the start of several standard rate turns, you can basically reset, restart quickly without having to go through the whole rigmarole of operating the chronograph sequentially. That's the advantage of a flyback. You're automatically zeroed and starting again as soon as you push. Now there is a quick set for the date. All of the crowns and chronograph pushers are screw down, so the watch has 100-meter water resistance. So it's a versatile timepiece, being elegant enough to wear with formal attire and tough enough to take swimming. Inside is a Frederic Piguet 1185. Now it's a chronograph movement that was designed specifically for Blancpain in the mid-1980s, and Blancpain and Frederic Piguet have been Siamesed as effectively one company since Swatch Group purchased them both. They'd worked together since Blancpain was resurrected in 1983, and they formally became corporate integrated partners in 1993 with the purchase of both by Swatch Group, and today Frederic Piguet is manufacturer Blancpain. So this is an in-house chronograph caliper. More importantly, it's a beautiful and well-made chronograph caliper, ultra-thin in profile, automatic winding, unidirectional for greater efficiency. With a 40-hour power reserve, it beats away at 21,600 vibrations per hour. It does feature the flyback chronograph functionality, a quick set for the date, and though it does not hack, so it doesn't have stop seconds, it does feature that crisp column wheel function selector and the precise vertical clutch engagement system for the chronograph, which is why there's no jump to the chronograph seconds hand when you start it. There's no play in a vertical clutch. Perhaps from a more practical standpoint, you can simply leave the vertical clutch engaged. So if you prefer to have chronograph seconds at center and just pretend that's the seconds hand moving continuously along with minutes and hours, you can do that with no additional wear or tear to the movement. A handsome watch, versatile, and one of Blancpain's best modern efforts. You can see this Blancpain Leman Flyback Chronograph and purchase it on our website.